How to recover deleted text message. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the messages application and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner. Here, select on the option of messages over here your data in messages. Now as you tap on your data in messages, you will be landed on a new page over here where you'll be able to see different options. So what you can do is you can simply have end-to-end encryption. You can have your Google account that work with messages, and you can simply back up your messages to your Google account. So you can simply download the data regarding your messages over here. So you can simply tap on your profile, and here you can simply select on the options of messages settings. So make sure that you have backed up your messages over here on your Google account, and you can simply go to manage your Google account and simply drag down the data from the Google account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.